Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Gosh, it's been a minute since I've been on here. Literally 10 months ago I posted my other video and I'm like shocked at how long I've been away from here, but I will try my hardest to be consistent. So let's get into the video. Right now I went in with Camel Dry Lotion. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it right, but be sure to check the description box because I have everything in order on what I use for the face in each section. And then I'm going in filling in with brows with my R&K brow pencil by Kisses to just fill it in on both sides. And then I'm going to conceal with my LA Pro concealer in two different shades. I go in the lighter shade on the bottom and a darker shade on top, but I'm not exactly sure what shade I've used, so be sure again to check the description box. Then I'm going in with my brow mascara from Makeup Revolution just to darken her eyebrows just a little bit more. Yeah, I do apologize for anybody that's in my background. I am in the living room because I believe that was the best place for me to do my makeup and everything, so I do apologize. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go in with my Morphe buffer brush and I'm going to spray it with my natural setting spray, and then I'm going to blend out all the concealer around the eye. Now I'll be going with my LA Pro concealer in the same shade I use under her brows to conceal her eyelids for the eyeshadow. After going with my Airspun powder to set her eyelids, I'll be going in my 35C Morphe palette in the purple shade on her outer corner. Then I'll be going in my NYX Ultimate Colors palette, so into the blue and green shade. I'm using a bigger brush or smaller brush because I'm going above and above the eye, which is a smaller section. So I have the brushes down below in my description box. I have no idea based on watching this video what brushes I'm using, but just be sure to check the description box. Okay, now I'll be going in with my LA Pro Concealer in the nude shade on her crease. And what I do is put a very thick amount of concealer on her lower lid, have her open up her eyes wide, and where you see the concealer on top of her lid is where you cut the furthest, and you just keep that shape and you should be fine. Okay, after cutting the crease, what I'll do is now I'm going to buffer out the concealer. Just make sure when I put the shadow on, I don't have any splashes or any like thick chunks on her lid. I just want everything to be soft and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with the same shade I use on her lid. And now I'll be going in my Royal Affairs palette from BH Cosmetics just to set the front of her eyes. And then I'll be going in with my white liner and my dual lash glue. The reason why I use dual lash glue than the white liner is because after using the dual lash glue, you will have no cracks in your white liner. And that's a tip I learned from an Instagram guru. And then I'll be going in with some NYX Pixie glitter, I think. I'm not sure what it's called, but again, be sure to check the description box. And then I'm going to add some liner, but I will not be doing a wing. My sister was so tired after I did her eyes. Like, she was over it. She wanted to go to sleep. Like, you see her head tilted back. She was trying to fall asleep, but I had to finish. So I'll be going in with her lash line, DripMinks. That's the lashes I'm putting on. I think is Havasu. It is the bold lashes are just my favorite lash, so I'll be putting that on. And I'll be going in with a spoolie just to take out all those little glittery on her skin without me wiping down her face with any wipes or anything. That is a hack also. And then I'll be applying mascara with a disposable mascara wand, and then I'll be adding her lashes. Okay, now I'll be going in my LA Pro Concealer Orange Corrector in her discoloration area, which is under her eye on top of her lips. Blend that out, and then I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place foundation all over her face to blend. But after I place the foundation on her face, I will be spraying my Morphe setting spray just to wet her face a little bit so the foundation can sink in and smooth out better. What I don't do is like really blend under her eye with the foundation because I don't want it too cakey under there, so I will mostly focus on the rest of her face and her neck area. Part where I focus on her eye. I'll be going in my Juvia's Place concealer under her eye in the shade 9, and I'll just be going where the orange is located, and I'll just make sure it's blended out very, very smoothly. Now I'm going to blend out the concealer with my beauty blender. I'm going to wet it a little bit with my natural setting mist I added in the beginning on her eyebrow area, just to smooth it out better. And you also want to wet the beauty blender, which is very, very, very important before blending concealer under your eye. Here's a trick of what I do to make sure everything is flawlessly blended. What I'll do is go back with that foundation brush that I used for her face, and I'll go out in the outer section of her face where I blended out her concealer just to make sure it flawlessly blend. And then I would go in to contour her face with a DripMinks contour stick. It's actually a foundation stick, but I use it to contour. And then I'll be going in with my Fit Me Maybelline foundation in a darker shade, just to put on top of it, just to make it a little bit darker, because I didn't like the way the foundation stick was, like, it wasn't too dark for me. So then I'll be blending it out, but then also after blending it out, I will be going back in with my foundation brush just to go up in between my concealer and the contour, just to make sure it blends out any harsh lines I have. Now I'm going in with my True Radiant contour palette. I'll be going in with the medium to deep palette and just set under her eyes. Then I'll be going in that same palette to contour. But if I want a deeper contour, I usually go in to the dark to deep, just to contour just a little bit further, because I love a strong contour. That's like I don't know, I love it. Okay, now I'll be adding the same shade I added her lid under her eyes. I'll start off with the purple, then go with the blue. I won't be going into the green because I feel like it's not necessary. So now I'll be spraying her face with the Morphe setting spray. I'll just be patting it just to make sure everything is nicely set and, you know, mattified. And then I'll be going on some Vaseline on her lip, line her lip up with some brown pencil, then adding Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Nude, I believe, and I'll be adding some gloss. Y'all, I did add a lot of lip gloss. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but it is what it is. I'll be going in with my Wet n Wild highlighter just to go under her brows and her tear ducts and upper her lip, and then I'll be setting her face with the Morphe spray. And yeah, I'm gonna pat it down and then I'm finished. I'm so excited how this came out. I thank everybody who watched my video throughout. I love you guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment for any questions you have, and